Okay, come on. Just get strong. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Yeah. Some authority. Yeah, huh. Up. 1. 2. That's it. Pull it in. Up. Good. 3. Come on. 2 more. 2 more. 2 more. Yeah, reset. Reset. That's it. That's fine. Up. 4. 1 more. Reset. Reset. That's it. Don't worry. It's a grip thing. Stay in the technique. Drive your feet through the ground. Then glutes. Chest up. Glutes, 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 glutes. All right.